Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. I have a very special unboxing for you today. This is the Somnia Tarot that we're going to go over today by Nicolas Bruno. This is not my deck. I do not own this. I am merely borrowing it for this video. One of my dear friends allowed me to use this for the channel, so big thanks to you. I am so excited to share this deck with you guys because I know the concept behind it, and I'm just so excited to get into it. So anyway, let's do that. So we're going to be very careful with it as we go along. It comes in this beautiful little blue pouch, and all of the info for this deck where you can purchase will be in the description box below as always, so that way you guys can check it out. So again, this is the Somnia Tarot, Nicolas Bruno. Oh, these are all photographs, by the way. So I'm really excited to get into it. Ah, what a great package. Explore the world of tarot through the visions of Nicolas Bruno, an artist who transforms his dreams and nightmares into surreal imagery. Each artwork within the Somnia Tarot showcases Bruno's work within the mediums of photography, sculpture, and costume design. The Somnia Tarot is comprised of a box set of 78 full-colored cards and an informational booklet. And then again, I will link where you can purchase or check out his social. So let's get into it. All right, okay, there's the booklet. Ooh, so there's the back of the cards. Kind of reminds me of a more intricate like bicycle poker card. And here's the booklet. Let's just go ahead and take a peek. An exploration of the subconscious through photography, sculpture, costume design, and dream journaling. Okay, special thanks. Okay, so there's just going to be some keywords for each card, which is fine. We'll get more into it after we pull the card and see how it works. Okay, so nothing special, nothing crazy. Let's get into the flip through here. It's got like a slight gloss to it, not super high gloss. I have a feeling this is going to be pretty dark, dark imagery. So I'm kind of excited because I do like a darker deck sometimes. And let's talk cardstock real fast. Ooh. Oh, that is a sturdy one. I was not expecting that. Nice. It's thicker than what is normally mass produced now. And if I remember correctly, this started with a Kickstarter or some sort of campaign to get this off the ground. Wow. There's a lot to look at here. Oh my gosh. I love the effects here, simulating the pillars. Yeah, this is definitely not a deck for everyone. Oh my gosh. Wow. We've got numbers up top, the title at the bottom. What? Wow. For the Emperor card having the anvil that he's holding on to, like, this is very visceral. This is like literally the control of the weight of the world in your hands. Wow. Just wow. Oh my goodness. Quite the imagery here. Oh my. I want to know if you guys have heard of this deck, if you were intrigued by this deck, if this is something that you are interested in, or if this is too intimidating for you. Because, oh my gosh, it's very very visceral, but at the same time, it's gorgeous. Oh, wow. The deck size too is longer. It's not too big that it, like, I have a feeling that I won't have an issue shuffling it, but it is a longer deck. I feel like it's, I don't have a comparison right in my head at the moment, but it's maybe like the Sugar Skull length, the Sugar Skull Tarot length, possibly. Not as wide though. Oh, I love this Temperance card. Wow. Whew. That is something for sure. Wow. I remember this card when they were doing the preview. Oh my gosh. Oh. The colors are stunning. Wow. Takes on a whole nother meaning here, huh? It's very twisted. I will give it that. It's definitely not a deck that will appeal to everyone, but oh my gosh, it is definitely something. Oh, that's a cool Eight of Wands. Oof. Oh, I like that. We're on cups. Oh, interesting. There's a lot to look at in each card. Oh my. So many things that I'm picking up on. Even these barrels here, we have 3 standing and 3 tipped over. Or I mean, excuse me, 2 tipped over. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow. Love it. There's something that just reacts in such a guttural way. Like it really touches a part of you going through this imagery. Oh, that's really neat. I actually like that 3 of Swords. I thought it was going to be a lot darker, to be honest. Oh, wow. You know, art is subjective, so what one really enjoys and loves, another might not. That's why these videos are so fun to do, is to see your guys' reaction and how you think about the art style. This I have a feeling it's going to be very oppositional. I love this 6 of Swords. This is not, for me personally, an everyday deck. I feel like this is definitely a really good shadow work deck. I think that this is great if you are trying to do readings on your dreams or dream work, that sort of a thing. Definitely a great deck for that. But I don't know if I could use it every day. I think it's too much for everyday use for me personally. However, if this is up your alley, there's nothing wrong with using it every day. Love that. Very standard night feel. I do like the hands are still involved in the aces. I think that was a nice touch. What? I love that. I love that card. That is a great depiction. Oh, I like that too. All right, let's see how it shuffles. So since it's a little bit thicker of a cardstock, it is a little bit stiffer to bend, but it snaps back just fine. Like I said, it is a little longer. Yeah, no issues really with shuffling it. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Okay, we're gonna read for the 8 of Coins. Okay, here we go back with the booklet. Coins are the very back, and we got 8. So craftsmanship, productivity, and steady employment. So I don't necessarily know if this is super beginner friendly because the images are pretty surreal, and it could be a little harder with not a lot of information in the booklet. However, if you are pretty well versed as far as what the cards mean, you can kind of pick up a little bit more on the imagery and what it means. But, you know, if you are really loving what this deck is all about, give it a go, give it a shot. It is definitely high quality cardstock. It's very beautifully done as far as the packaging goes. And the art itself is, like I said, probably not for everyone, but it is beautiful. I love some of the stylistic approaches and choices that Nicolas made. I think that for the right person, this will be a fantastic deck. I stand by that. I think this would be amazing for dream work or shadow work readings. But yeah, I would now really love to know what you guys think of this deck because, like I said, I saw some info about it before it was even made into a deck. I saw the imagery and I was just blown away. So with that being said, let me know what you guys think about this deck down in the comment section below. Have you even heard of it before, or is this your first time being introduced to this deck? I would love to know. And thank you so much to my lovely friend for putting it on loan for me to share with you guys. I appreciate it so much. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.